Alright guys, welcome to day 3 of our Ormoc trip, and today is gonna be a little bit special because we are going to a couple of new places. So if ever you're coming to Ormoc, right, this car rental company, the one here you see behind, is the Cred car rental company. They are one of the most affordable car rentals here in Ormoc.
If you want to visit Ormoc, you want to have the rental, car wash, car rental, Creds, text or call on my page.
Alright, thank you so much, Sarah. Alright, so guys, make sure if you're coming to Ormoc, this is a wonderful car wash and they have wonderful car rentals. The price starts from 1,500. That's, I believe, the most affordable price for a car rental for one day. If you're coming here, make sure to check the link down below. The name is Cred Car Rentals, so you can hit it up on Facebook and call them directly. So make sure to enjoy the most of it. So we're going to go to the next location, but before that, we are going to book our tickets for going back to Cebu. I'm going to see you in a bit. Peace. Finally, we are on the main thing for Ormoc, and that's the Palompon Barangay, the mother of Kalanggaman Island. And we are super excited that we were able to tie up with the municipality of Palompon, and they were really proud to have us. This video is completely sponsored by the municipality of Palompon, and we are going to walk you through how you should get here, how you should go inside, what are the prices and every single thing. So make sure you watch the video till the end and we'll have some fun. Come on. When you go here, they have a lot of people to guide you around, whatever you have to do, what you have to don't do, everything. So come. You have a waiting area as well. This is the slip. If you could see, every single thing is written here because this island usually gets rented for an entire day. So, but let's say if you're renting it for just like one day or day tour or night tour, it has different rates. So make sure to contact them on Facebook and give them a call before you go here so that it's easier for you. So we're gonna go. Our speedboat is waiting for us to bring to the main island, and let's have some fun. Make sure to bring also the food. This island doesn't sell food as per the municipality of tourism because they wanted to keep it really clean. So when you're coming here, make sure to bring food with you. So these are some of the boats, and the travel time is somewhere around 45 minutes. Make sure to come prepared. They are open at 6 a.m. So we're gonna go inside and let's have some fun. I'm gonna change my dress right now and I'm gonna see you in a bit.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. Before you go to Kalanggaman Island, this is a small orientation. This is prohibited in the island. First, use of soap, shampoo, conditioner, loud swimming, fishing gear is prohibited. Portable generators, minimum power, bringing pets, and used styrofoam prohibited. Breakable bottle must be returned to the mainland. Again, please segregate your garbage and bio and non-biodegradable, and welcome to Kalanggaman Island. Mabuhay!
So we are gonna leave. It's approximately gonna take 25 minutes, and yeah. Let's go and have some fun. So guys, we are finally almost there to the Kalanggaman Island. It's been like 20-25 minutes. The sun is directly on the top. So we are super excited to go inside and give it a try how things goes. Guys, finally we are in the Kalanggaman Island, and oh my goodness, the water. Look at the quality of the water here, man. Every single thing you can see below, it's crystal clear, and that's the sandbar. That's like the iconic sandbar here. It's like a 1 meter, I believe. It's 1 meter big sandbar, and we're gonna go inside now. Finally, we are in the Kalanggaman Island, the home for a wonderful and a beautiful sandbar. Trust me, this place is really a hidden gem. I'm not really sure if people really know about this place, but this is one of the craziest islands I've ever been because it's small. It's like 45 minutes away from the main beach, and I'm quite excited. We'll have someone, explain more about this island, so we're gonna go to them. So hi, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Kalanggaman Island.
Thank you so much. So
What makes this island really special is, number one, is the sandbar. It is pure white sand, and we have also giant clams, and we can offer different types of excitement and events here.
oh, okay. So you guys organize events as well?
Yes, sir.
Exclusive for 300,000 pesos. The entire island will be yours. You can stay here, do whatever you want.
The first you can expect in this island is the hospitality of the staff. Second is the view, the ambience, which is very beautiful. And third is, the place. It is very relaxing.
Yep.
You can say that it is a very stress-free place, and it is very memorable to come here.
Yeah, that's true, because as far as I've seen, and you guys have also seen from the drone shots and everything, this island looks really crazy.
About the jet skis and the kayaks, sir, the jet skis is not under the LGUs, which is because they are from another.
Okay.
We have private rentals for kayaking is 200 per hour, and the jet skis is, I think it's 4,000 pesos for now. The barbecue area is free for anyone who want to cook some barbecue, and for the snorkeling area, it is free. But if you have snorkel, you can bring it here, you can use it. But if you don't have snorkel, you can rent a snorkel, and the rental for a snorkel is 300.
So this is a really good spot for diving, snorkeling and everything. So they have snorkeling gears here. It's approximately 300 pesos a day, and there is no time limit. Let's say if you're renting it out, you can use it as much as you want. And when you're leaving the island, you have to give it to the captain, right? Pick up your own garbages and bring it to the boat, right? You shouldn't like throw it away. They have decent rooms for changing your clothes, CRs, comfort rooms. Thank you so much. If you could see, a lot of people are camping overnight here, so you can bring your own tents. That's wonderful, you know, because the sun rises from the east and sets from the west, so you will see the entire sun go from down all the way to the center top and all the way to the back. For the cottages, they have different ranges. It all depends on how many packs are there. The crazy it looks, the crazy it is. I mean, the way it looks, even more better it is if you come to see it in person. So make sure this is a part of your itinerary, especially when you're coming to Ormoc, Leyte. You will have a wonderful time, especially with your friends, your family. And make sure to call them first. The number will be below before you come here, so that it's easier for you to come and enjoy with your friends and your family, because sometimes they are overbooked, sometimes they are fully booked, sometimes the slots are vacant, sometimes they are closed because of the weather. So you don't have to travel 1 hour from Ormoc city just for nothing. So we are going to go to our next destination, which is also sponsored by the LGU of the local barangay, and we are quite excited. So that's kind of an adventure park. Come along. Finally, we are in our next destination for today, which is Liberty Terrestrial Eco Adventure Park. So they have a zip line. It's like approximately 200 meters, and the fee is just 100 pesos. So make sure, it's like 20 minutes away from the Kalanggaman Island. So you can also complete this. This is one of the best tourist attractions. So the line goes all the way between two mountains. So it's gonna be just a few fraction of seconds. So if ever you didn't do a zip line yet, you should go here. Affordable. Let this also be a part of your itinerary. So after this, we are gonna go home and probably head to Cebu. Gonna see you in the next one.